Facebook is a social media platform founded by Mark Zuckerberg and his college roommates at Harvard University in 2004. Initially created as a way for Harvard students to connect with one another, it quickly expanded to other universities and eventually to the general public. Facebook allows users to create profiles, share updates, photos, and videos, connect with friends and family, join groups based on interests, and follow pages of businesses, organizations, and public figures. Over the years, Facebook has become one of the largest and most influential social media platforms globally, with billions of users worldwide. I came to my computer screen. Go to browser. Search or type in facebook.com. And click on Enter. Click on Create New Account. Enter your correct information here. First name, last name. Enter your number or email address here. Enter a strong password that you will remember. Select your birthday. Select your gender. Click Sign Up. If there are any problems, click again. Wait. A confirmation code in the email address you used. Confirm with code. This email received an SMS from Facebook. I will copy and paste the quote on Facebook. And confirm. Click OK. Facebook account is open now. To design profile, add your information. Enable browser notifications. Go to Facebook profile. Add your photo. Enter the photo description here. You can edit the photo here if you want. Click now when editing is finished. Wait, your photo has been added as a profile photo. Upload the cover photo. After selecting the photo, click Save. Profile photo, cover photo complete. Now enter your information. Your location is school, college, university. After entering the information, save it.